Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this module, we are going to continue with surface area of a cylinder, question number 4. Question number 4 says that the diameter of roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. They have given us the diameter of a roller. Roller is in a cylindrical form, isn't it? And its length is given as 120 centimeter. Let us mark this out first. So first thing given to us is diameter. Diameter is given as 84 centimeter. Okay, 84 centimeter. And they have also given us the height. Height कितनी दी है बच्चों? Height is 120 centimeter. Okay. Then it says that it takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. ओके ये 500 revolutions लेता है ये roller to complete leveling of a playground. So they have asked us find the area of the playground. It takes 500 complete revolutions और 500 complete revolutions के बाद में वो एक particular playground को cover कर पाता है. Okay, so इस playground का area हमें find करना है. Are you all getting the question, students? Let's start. Very first thing is they have given us the diameter here. Okay, so first step we will find the radius. So radius is equals to diameter upon 2 means half of the diameter, right? That is 84 का half लेंगे बच्चों, आपको मिलेगा 42 centimeter. Okay, now as it is completing 500 revolutions, बच्चों जब आप imagine करो आपके सामने एक roller है और वो roll कर रहा है ground पे. So which surface will be in contact with the ground? Will the bases come in contact with the ground? No, only the curved surface will come in contact with the ground as it is rolling down, isn't it? So area of roller, that means curved surface area of cylinder निकालेंगे हम पहले. ठीक है, तो curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. So now let's substitute the value 2 into 22 upon 7 into your radius. Radius is 42 centimeter into height. Height is 120 centimeter and this is area, so it will be in centimeter square. Okay, now just solving this out. 7 ones are 7 6 are 42. Okay, multiplying 2 into 22, 2 6 are 12. To 22 करेंगे multiply by 120. You will get the answer as 31680 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area of the roller. That is the curved surface area of the roller which is in contact with the ground when rolling, right? Now it means that अगर आपका cylinder जो that means roller एक revolution लेता है, okay, अगर वो एक complete revolution लेता है तो कितना area cover करेगा? Area of one revolution will be exactly area of roller. Okay, पूरा एक roll कर रहा है ना, यहाँ से शुरू होकर return यहीं पे खत्म. So it means one complete revolution is what? Area of roller. Okay, area of roller, that is 31680, that is 31,680 centimeter square. अब हमें कितना क्या फाइंड करना है? उसने लिया है 500 complete revolutions, isn't it? So हम area of 500 revolution फाइंड करेंगे and that will give us the area of ground, isn't it? That is 500 into 31,680 centimeter square. Okay, therefore area of playground will be 500 into 31680. अब 5 से multiply कर लो. Okay, this is your answer बच्चों. 1,58,40,000 centimeter square. अब बच्चों this is given in centimeter square, but the question asked us in is meter square. Okay, So what we'll do is we'll convert centimeter square into meter square, isn't it? We know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So it means that 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. Here it is centimeter square. So 1 centimeter square will be 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 meters. Okay. So solving out with this, we get 1 upon 100 multiplied by 1 upon 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros will be cancelled. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are left with 1584 meters square. That is 1584 meters square is the area of playground. I hope students you all are getting this. What we have done simply is 500 complete revolution में पूरा playground level हो रहा है, isn't it? तो पहले हमने area of roller निकाला, that is CSA of roller, okay? और जो आपका CSA because ये बच्चों curved surface ही आपके playground के साथ में contact में आ रहा है, bases तो आ नहीं रहे, तो only curved surface का area निकाला. That one area that area will be the area of one complete revolution. ऐसे 500 रेवोल्यूशन लिए, तो इट मींस आपका कर्व सरफेस एरिया 500 टाइम्स प्लेग्राउंड के साथ कांटेक्ट में आया है, right? So it means 500 into the area of one revolution, and hence you will get the area of the whole playground. I hope students you all are clear with this. Let's continue with the next question. In the fifth question, it is given that a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Okay, so that's a cylindrical pillar. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Okay, now here in this question, they have just to paint the curved surface area. So we will be finding only curved surface area, right? Once we get the curved surface area of the cylinder, we'll have to find the rate of it, cost of it at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Okay, pillar cylindrical form में है आपका, right? So CSA will be your 2 pi RH according to formula. Let's use the given data. So we have the height with us. Okay, height of the cylindrical pillar is given as 3.5 meter. Then they have also given us the radius. Radius is d by 2. That is 50 by 2. That will give us 25 centimeter. Okay, and this 25 centimeter is what radius is equals to. Now we have to convert centimeter into meter or meter into centimeter. Okay, anyways it will be correct. So let's convert centimeter into meter. We get 25 into 1 upon 100 meter. That will give me 0.25 meters. Okay, 1 meter 100 centimeter है, आप centimeter को meter में convert कर रहे हैं, तो it will be divided by 100. Clear till here? Now, therefore, we have to find the curved surface area is equals to 2 pi RH. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 25 into H is your height. Okay, that is 3.5 meter square. Okay, solving this further, we'll get 2 22s are 44. Okay, 7 1s are 7 5s are 35. So it will get 0.5. So 25 into 0.5 will be 0.125 and meter square. Okay, multiplying 44 to 0.125, you get the CSA as 55 meter square. Okay, now they say that cost of painting 1 meter square. Okay, 1 meter square area is how much? Rupees 12.50. Right, 12.50 meters square. Then cost of painting, then if we have to find cost of painting 5.5 meter square area, it will be obviously multiply करेंगे हम, right? 5.5 into 12.50. Okay. So after calculating, you will get the answer as 68,075. So this much rupees will be needed to paint a cylinder, curved surface area of a cylinder with the given dimensions at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. If any doubt, students, just let me know. I hope you all are clear. Thank you so much.